Anyway, this is my exercise every morning. 11:30 a.m. I just thought I would pick up the camera in my very dirty kitchen. Very quick. That's literally all you're getting because it's so messy. I have to clean it right now. Just having a homemade hot chocolate. Literally the most basic thing ever. Straight up natural cocoa powder. This is the Hershey's one. I had this sitting in my kitchen for like over a year. These are like the individually wrapped stevias. I'm gonna be replacing all my stevia and artificial sweeteners with date sugar though. Literally you're tricking your body every single time to prepare for that insulin burst. So date sugar is the only processed sugar that actually has fiber, and it literally is just the full date straight up but in powder form, so it will thicken up some stuff, but still that's way healthier than like anything really. Just monitor your sugar intake and you should be fine. Like I still consume things like Zevias and stuff, but anyway, that's a side note. I'm gonna have that. That's the first thing I literally consumed, and I'm obviously drinking tons of water. And yeah, I'm gonna just clean and just show you what the heck I'm gonna be eating in a day for clear skin. My skin is definitely getting better, so yes, I will show you what I'm gonna be eating next. Also, side note, I'm actually doing this short time cleanse right now. So this is ovary and uterus clean. Detoxify, nurture your uterus and ovaries. This is just all natural Chinese herb medicine. There's nothing crazy in here, but I guess I can link this down if you're interested in doing the detox with me. Just kidding, but you could totally do it if you want. But you take 3 pills at once, 3 times a day. So that's 9 pills, and every single time you have to take them throughout the day, it has to be on an empty stomach. So I'm gonna take 3 right now because I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. And also I'm doing like a lot of meditation practices and like cleansing my womb. Especially if you're a female, all of your emotions are actually stored in your womb. I don't teach you this in like modern day medicine because it's a lot of hippy dippy stuff, but clearly it's working because I literally am not stressed at all. So yeah, so it's clearly doing something. I wouldn't rely on the pills. You have to actually do the practices and like the massagings to like excrete everything. Very TMI, but I mean, I'm very open on this channel and I'm about helping you guys with your stress levels as well. Like if you're a female, obviously you won't get it if you're a guy because you don't have one. You don't have ovaries or a uterus, but massaging down there actually really helps. And then I'm just taking this just as an assistance because it's supposed to thin the blood and just help everything move through and helps really loosen everything up. So yeah, basically this helps with period cramps as well. If you have a clean womb, then you actually might lose weight and also get clear skin as a side effect. But this is just for my own mental clarity and health and stress, and it's working. So I'm going to do some meditation practices as well, but obviously meditation only gets you so far. You actually have to do like the massaging and the work to like get everything out. But yeah, no one does it, so there we go. Learn something new. These are like so brown. I could either make banana bread or I could just freeze them. Shoot, we actually might make banana bread. I don't know, I'm kind of craving it, so yeah. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna chug more water. And also I obviously have to promote my favorite be all end all. It's literally skin clarifying, weight management, and also sleeping very well like a baby. The Karen Phytoplankton, obviously I reached out, this is upside down. I reached out to them because I believe in their products so much, and especially if you're a vegan, you need the best source of omega-3. I mean, vegan or not vegan, this is the best source of omega-3 because this is where fish get their omega-3. It has over 75 nutrients, including B12. So honestly, as a vegan, really the only supplement you really need for survival is just this. Like all the other supplements I'm taking are just very much extra, just for fun. Because I love supplements, but I'm addicted, just kidding. Well, kind of. They're very fun, but you don't need them. You just need this. But anyway, I'm just gonna, it comes with a scooper pooper, and I'm just gonna put them in there. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna obviously link this down below. But anyway, only my followers get the deal. So it's 20% off and free shipping. If you're having any issues with shipping, there's a phone number down below you can call. They're very friendly people. Anyway, I'm the only influencer that works with Karen Phytoplankton right now. This is just a lifesaver. So anyway, with that being said, gosh, I am just so guilty. I literally binge watched like pretty much all the seasons of Virgin River, I think it's called. It's a Netflix original series. Anyway, I feel very guilty. Unfortunately, I cannot turn back time. I literally, like, this is why I cannot watch Netflix, because you start on one episode and you watch all the seasons in one day, and it sucks because they're so good. I didn't even read the description really. I just clicked on it randomly and I was hooked from the episode 1. So it was a weird occurrence because I wasn't even meaning to look for anything to binge. So I'm gonna make my typical pineapple banana smoothie, but I'm going to be adding my organic bamboo extract stems and also my MSM powder because I didn't do it in my morning concoction that I always make. This, the Karen Phytoplankton and MSM, is like amazing for, again, hair, skin, and nails. Basically, you'll live until you're 100 in conclusion. But yeah. It's so very nice. Oh my god. Oh wait, never mind. This is so fresh. Sorry. My last brand was so nice. This is so fresh. Yos. This is the ultimate morning smoothie. And when I say morning, I mean 12:51 p.m. Again, this is just temporary, but feminine balance. This has probiotics, aloe. It has 11 potent ingredients. So this is just supposed to help detox and cleanse the female anatomy. Maybe I should go through a whole video because this is very important to me. And it's not even about the weight loss or the clear skin. It's just taking care of yourself and taking care of your uterus as a woman. Like it literally just, it makes you have so much more clarity, and it's just like clear skin and weight loss is just a byproduct of taking care of yourself and self-love too. Make sure you practice self-love today. I love you all, sending lots of love. Anyway, I'm going to make my plant-based quesadilla. It's cheese-free. I tried to buy fake cheese and I tried it and it tastes so bad. Maybe I haven't tried or just found the right cheese that's vegan. I'm still on the hunt, so let me know, comment down below if you have a good vegan cheese option, but honestly it's processed anyway. So, and honestly when I made my quesadilla without the cheese, it was better. I just used basically a really nice bean dip, guacamole, like spinach, tomato, just vegetables, and it was so good. So I'm gonna make that because it's so filling. Literally my whole calorie intake for the day is literally in that one quesadilla thing. There's so much fiber and there's so much like of your protein, fats, carbohydrate, like literally it's a whole spectrum. I do have gluten though. You can use gluten-free tortillas if you want, but this is a very special occasion that I use gluten. I've been recording a lot of gluten, what I eat nowadays lately, so. But just know if you do consume bread, it will affect your intestinal flora, like your gut flora, your good bacteria. So I will be making that right now. Okay, it is almost 2 p.m. I just got back from the store, but I also checked my mail, and speaking of womb cleansing, I literally just got this in the mail today. This is Herbal Womb Cleanse Holistic Healing. So this is basically like an herbal tea that is supposed to help cleanse you out and help with stress, but just holistically, naturally through herbal tea. It smells amazing. I literally am just so excited. Let's open it right now and see what it looks like. I might enjoy some herbal tea this evening. I'm probably gonna have this on an empty stomach every morning and night, or maybe just at night when I do my meditations. It's gonna be nice. This is what it looks like. So it's a nice concoction of sorts. Ooh, there's some cinnamon sticks in here. There's a lot of stuff going on. It smells amazing. So yes, I am all about this, supporting companies like these as well. I can link them down below if you're interested in womb cleansing and also the pills, because again, you know what I'm saying, a dirty womb is a dirty mind. Literally though, like I'm just saying. It's just facts, but they don't tell you this in modern day medicine. Anyway, my superstore literally made their own brand of plant-based mayo, so I'm like, okay, I have to try this. It was like $3. So I want to put this to the test and see if it tastes good. So I'm gonna use that for later days. For my quesadilla, I just bought some Tex-Mex stuff, so then I could put this in my bean dip and it's gonna taste amazing, so yes. And then we're just gonna take plain old white bread. You can use whole wheat, you can use gluten-free. Again, me personally, this is like a treat to me, so I am going to take advantage of just the unhealthy white breads. But again, if you're only eating bread like a few times a week, it literally will not affect you that bad. Like, you don't have to be one extreme or the other when it comes to healthy eating, I swear, because that literally plays a huge mental battle with yourself, and you are playing yourself because like, are you literally going to guarantee yourself to eat clean for the absolute rest of your life? Like, obviously yes, on a daily basis, but I mean, if you're treating yourself like these occasionally, or the occasional, you know, processed vegan food, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, I try not to cook with oil, but if it's sprayable, like I really don't, like it doesn't matter to me. A little bit to assist with the cooking is not that bad. And I'm gonna see if this avocado is like too ripe. I have way too many avocados right now. And this is my other stash of avocados. So like I have a problem because then I have avocados that are just sitting there and I forget about them, and I keep buying more because I assume that I ate them, but I didn't. I have like at least an avocado every single day. Anyway, we're gonna cut this baby open. It might be overripe. Oh my god. It actually isn't. Oh, it's my lucky day. I feel so blessed right now. I'm just, this is amazing. This is the perfect consistency. We're going to make our avocado dip, and literally all it is just avocado smushed like that. Oh my god, it's a very aggressive bang. Anyway, we're just gonna take a bit of pink Himalayan salt, or a lot. Oh shoot, I was gonna put onions in here too. Just gonna use a bit. Oh my god, that's way too much. This is, I don't know what to do with this. Put some garlic powder. That tastes freaking amazing. Oh my god. I'm just so lazy to use a spatula, so I just use this. The onions are pretty much done, so we're just gonna pop them in here. Now we can start placing those. Seriously, my taste buds are not worthy for this. Like, it's so good. I totally forgot to add corn, so we're just gonna do it now. Gonna add some spinach. I don't trust this pre-wash stuff, but like, I'm so lazy right now. So we're gonna risk it. We're gonna risk our life trying to eat this, so. I like the taste of wilted spinach, and then we're just gonna top it again like a sandwich. So we're gonna take the other slice. Oh my god, this looks so, yeah. Anyway. Oh. Avocados should be illegal. They taste so good. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna place her on top. Oh my god. And then we're just gonna top it with a bit of the oil. Super quick. And we want to make sure the spinach and corn is like wilted or like thoroughly cooked. Low to medium heat. So terrified. This is like the most frightening part always. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I literally die every single time. Whew. Oh my god, look how toasty that is. Okay, we're gonna use a pizza cutter because we are professionals here, only on this channel. Anyway, literally, oh my god. No dip or sauce needed, like seriously. Oh my gosh, this is the beautiful creation of what it looks like on the inside. Look at that, just magnificence. Oh my goodness. Just pause and just take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this looks. It is just divine. It is just exquisite. Anyway, we're gonna down the hatch with this, okay, right now. Episode 2, season 4 on Virgin Creek or Virgin River. I don't even know what this is called, but it's an addicting show. That's all I know. This is so immaculatively heavy. And also I'm gonna be snacking on this thing of veggie straws because why not? And also I have a Zevia Coke flavored. I'm so excited to eat all this. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna watch this. This is quite the Sunday. I'm very happy right now.
That I would support her.
That was so aggressive, but like,
we might have a future.
I will choose to have this every single day for the rest of my life. Put some chips on here, I'm saying. I'm just living the life. So good. Hits the spot in all the right places. Oh my god. My taste buds are so spoiled right now. Anyway. I think I can love you forever, but don't think we should be together right now. Anyway, I love that show. We're gonna grease it. We're going to make some banana bread. Ladies and gentlemen, get a recipe right here. Get some wheat flour. Actually, let's try date flour. So this recipe is gonna be gluten-free. So we need 2 cups of this. I'm actually not sure if this is gonna turn out well at all because it's gluten-free. And this actually calls for like regular flour, but we're just gonna go with it and hope for the best. So I cannot guarantee that this recipe will actually turn out well. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Oh my god. Cool. Oh, stand my days up in a day, gotta stay hot. Dude, I feel like this is not gonna rise at all. Should I risk date flour? Like, I've never tried this before. Like, does date flour even rise? Like, I doubt it, right? Hey, I'm literally so scared. Please wish me luck. Oh god, oh, I just burned myself. So this is what it is looking like right now. This is the before. Close this up. 65 minutes. And then we're gonna do it with a toothpick to see if it's cooked all the way through. Hopefully it is, because if not, that's gonna be very awkward because I've again never cooked with date flour before, so this will be interesting. But anyway, wish me luck and I will catch you in an hour. And I'm gonna watch another episode. I look so rough right now. Oh my god. So this literally is drooping. It's like concaving down. I cooked it for like an extra 10 minutes or like 5 minutes, I think, or I don't even know. But I did the toothpick thing. Like nothing's coming out. Like it seems cooked. Like it was actually like up higher, and then now like over time, I swear, I don't know how much more this is gonna droop, but it's been drooping for the past like 5 minutes, and it's gonna keep going probably. So this is gonna be very interesting. I'm not sure how it's gonna set. It's like kind of sticking to my teeth. I like the taste, it's really good. It's just, I don't know if it's gonna be cooked. Okay, so we're gonna try this treacherous, very scary looking, very droopy banana bread that is like very moist. But like in the best way, you know what I'm saying? It actually smells really good. Dude, it's not even cooked. Like it is so gummy. It's like I don't even know. Like it's definitely not a bread for sure. Let's just say it's a lava cake because it's very like runny. At least the corners are cooked. Definitely was a failure, epically. But it's 6:35 p.m. But yeah, I am like insanely full, and I really want to go to bed in like 2 hours because I stayed up way too late yesterday. I'm trying to get my sleeping schedule back on check. I'm going to finish one more episode. Oh my gosh, the show is so addicting. I'm on my 3rd episode. Like Virgin River is such a good show. I'm binge watching this show. It's way too hard. But anyway, I'm gonna end the night off with a nice, this is Lady Grey tea. Lady Grey tea is literally the best tea. I don't know if I could find a loose tea version of this because I don't like buying packaged, because I already have like a bunch of steeping contraptions, but I don't know. I've been trying to find this flavor for the longest time. So let me know if there's a loose leaf tea version down below, because I will get that right away if I can find one. But anyway, I love Lady Grey tea because it literally is like the equivalent to drinking a creamsicle. It's literally dessert. Like I'm not the biggest fan of fruity teas, but this one, since it has like a nice creaminess factor, it just literally tastes like a creamsicle. It's amazing. I totally recommend this. Like it's so addicting, but maybe I shouldn't recommend it because it is that addicting. But anyway, put a bit of plant milk and stevia with it, and it's just amazing. So I'm going to enjoy that off camera. Yeah, with that being said, I guess I'll end it off here because I'm definitely done for the day. Hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification if you don't want to miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel when I release music. Hopefully that'll be one day. It's been a rough year, again, let me tell you. But anyway, it means the world to me, and lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.